Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Today I am going to discuss about conic. Let's see. Conic also planar geometry, that means conic lies on a plane. I hope you already know about plane, though I am telling you what is plane. If a straight line, if we put a straight line on a surface, say this is a straight line and we put this on a surface, if every point of this straight line touch the surface, then the surface is called a plane. Clear? If we put a straight line on a surface and every point of straight line touch the surface, then the surface is called a plane. Clear? What is plane now? Okay, now conic. A conic section is the locus of all points in a plane. I told already it is a planar geometry. A conic section is the locus of all points. So locus you already learn about locus in straight line. Though I am telling you, locus means সঞ্চার পথ, যে পথের উপর পয়েন্টগুলো যে পথের উপর অবস্থান করে, that means say these are the points and locus of these points is this. That means পয়েন্টগুলো যে লাইনের উপর অবস্থান করে সেই লাইনটাকে বলা হবে লোকাস. ক্লিয়ার? A conic section is the locus of all points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point. That means a point is fixed and locus of all points. This is the locus of all points. These are the points whose distance from a fixed point. This is the fixed point and distance. This is the distance. If we say this fixed point is S and take a point on the locus P, then the distance between point and the fixed point and a point on the locus is SP. Distance from a fixed point is in a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line. If we take a fixed line, this is the fixed line, and distance from this point to this straight line is perpendicular distance, that means PM, is in a constant ratio. This two distance is in a constant ratio. That means SP by PM is equal to constant. Clear? Then the locus is called, this locus is called conic. Clear? Now this locus is called conic, and this fixed point is called focus. Focus means upakendra. This fixed point is called focus, and the fixed line is called directrix. That means dikakho. And this ratio is called eccentricity. It is denoted by E, eccentricity. This ratio is called eccentricity. And perpendicular line to directrix and passes through the focus. The line which is perpendicular to directrix and passes through the focus is called axis. Clear? the intersecting point of the conic and the axis is called vertex. It's called vertex. The intersecting point of directrix and axis is called foot. The chord which is passes through the focus is called focal chord. This is focal chord, and the distance between any point on the conic and the focus is called focal distance. This distance is called focal distance. This is focal chord, this distance is called focal distance. And the focal chord which is perpendicular to axis, is called latus rectum. Is called focal chord which is perpendicular to axis. Focal chord, that means the chord which is passes through the focus, and the focal chord which is perpendicular to axis is called latus rectum. Clear? We have to know this name of these points and lines. কনিক বুঝতে গেলে আমাদের অবশ্যই এই পয়েন্টগুলোকে বুঝতে হবে যে কোনটা কি পয়েন্ট, কোনটা ফুট, কোনটা ভার্টেক্স, কোনটা ফোকাস, কোনটা লেটাস রেক্টাম, কোনটা ফোকাল ডিস্টেন্স কি, ফোকাস থেকে কনিকের ওপরে যে কোনো পয়েন্টের যে ডিস্টেন্স তাকে বলা হবে ফোকাল ডিস্টেন্স। আর ফোকাল কর্ড যেটা ফোকাস দিয়ে যে কর্ডটা যাবে, কর্ডটা ফোকাস দিয়ে যাবে সেটাকে বলা হবে ফোকাল কর্ড। আর লেটাস রেক্টাম ইজ ওয়ান কাইন্ড অফ focal chord which is perpendicular to axis. That means this line is perpendicular to the axis. This is latus rectum. আচ্ছা, তোমরা আজ খুব ভালোভাবে এই পয়েন্টগুলা এবং লাইনগুলো মনে রাখবা, তাহলে এই কনিকটা বোঝা খুব সহজ হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ।